It was another nigga that just started coming out of the time niggas be trying to piss on niggas, talking on niggas, bro. Get out of here, bro. We were talking about come outside, bro. Niggas be new niggas, bro.
Damn. Suck my dick. Suck my dick.
Niggas just started coming out in 2021. Like, niggas is not really, niggas was not no stop.
Hey, yo, 9894. Hey.
To my dick.
Get money. That's it. I need more stuff. I mean, God, don't get back. Suck my dick. Bow, bow, bow. Got power. With a salad. Got a knot. Nigga flow. They gonna run when they see through my dread. Bitch, I'm a demon like Eddie no ass. He trying to run, but I click on his head. Got a fit. Smoking on tape. With a fish. Stick to the seven.
I love y'all niggas, bro.
I got bullet for TV and lit. Hold on. I can be like them niggas, I'm lit. If I see Kesho vegan, where they at? This is for her, you heard? It's for her. For her keep saying, oh, this for, I don't care about this phone. Look, I bought the same one. The same phone? So when you cut this off, this come on. Ah! And it's bigger, you heard? I can call more bitches. I can FaceTime them. It's bigger. I got more spaces for more bitches. You heard? I'm gonna put all their phones there. I'm gonna put all their phone numbers in there. I'm gonna just get it from there and I'm gonna put it in here and I'm gonna call them. Smoking on not even crackle. Smoking on Steve crash the weight. Fucking fit. A whole lot of. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, bro, so talented, bro. You can't be tight, man. Yo, bro, you don't want to shit on this bitch, bro. She talking about we can't sell out on tickets. My nigga, you gotta hurry up and do my shit. It's not canceled, it's postponed. Look, just for her, she cut that phone off, look. Y'all know, look. Suck my dick. Everybody wins. Oh, I forgot. Oh, shit, you know me. I forgot about this one. I forgot about this one. Hold on. Wait, my brother.
Wait, my brother.
It's bigger. Oh,
shit, my nigga.
My nigga is bigger.
Hey.
Motherfucker.
Oh, beautiful motherfucker.
Motherfucker. Hey.
You gonna say,
hey.
Hello.
Hello.
He said, hello.
Hello. He tried to throw my phone in the water, nigga. Hey, he tried to throw my phone in the water. You fucking bitch. Hey, I got a new phone, bitch. My new phone is bigger than this shit. This shit is fucking little, man. I got a bigger phone, motherfucker. This phone is motherfucking good. Look. It says hello in Chinese, motherfucker. It don't speak English. Qinghua, motherfucker.
Nigga said. Nah, that's a god, bro.
Hey. You trying to cut my motherfucking... This is not through my phone in the water.
What am I doing?
Yo, bro, we looking for my phone. It's in the water. It's in the fucking water.
I swear to God, son told me, yo, look out the window. He like, yo, where my other phone at? Where my other phone at? Son told me, yo, just look out the window. What am I gonna look out the window? I see that. That's the first thing I see, but I'm like, yo, she valid, little motherfucker.
Now she really gonna be mad when she see this. You see, it was just trying to transfer everything from this bullshitty phone to this phone. Everybody. I want to show all y'all, man. You heard? I got a new one, y'all. And it's bigger. You heard? Way bigger. He called my motherfucking phone and talk about the motherfucking water, man. You motherfucking crazy, man. You crazy? You stupid? You motherfucking stupid? With my motherfucking phone, man. Hey. Hey. You throw my motherfucking phone in the motherfucking water, man. Fuck out of here, man. Fuck you, man. That's why I have a bigger phone now, nigga. My phone is bigger than you. Stupid. That's how you do it. If I'm so broke, I got your phone and the new phone. And the old phone. With the old phone. I got 3 phones, one for Hillary and one for the motherfucking Buddha. I got 3 phones, one for Hillary and one for the motherfucking Buddha. I got 2 phones and my other phone is bigger than the other fucking Buddha. Hold on. I got 3 phones, one for the plug and one for the bros. I got 4 phones, one for the plug and one for the hose. Huh? Yo, I'm about to trip. That's how villain is, yo. This shit trying to take me out. I got 3 phones, one for the voodoo and one for the hose. Nah, chill. The live gonna get heavy. They gonna be like, they gonna put a different title. I'm up here to motherfucking flex my motherfucking 3 phones, motherfucker. You have 1 phone, I have 3. 3 motherfucking phones, man. You try to throw my phone in the water? You stupid. There's no season in here, bitch. No season. Fuck out of here, man. And it will look like shit in there, bro. She violated, my nigga. Yo, bro. Right, you gotta clean that. I got 2 phones, one for the plug and one for the bro. I have 3 phones, one for the plug and one for the ho. Oh shit, I made an album jump up. I'm about to make a hit right now. Yo, pass the auto-tune, man. Yo, pop. I got 1 phone, one for the plug and one for the bro. I'm about to get on my Afrobeat shit. I got 3 phones, one for the bitches and one for the bro. Yo, I got 2 phones, one for the plug and one for the bro. Yo. Well, she gonna be stressed when she see this. When she see this phone, she gonna be hurt. She gonna wanna come and throw this one. Hey, you throw this one, you go with the hoe. I ain't gonna lie, she thrashed AB. I ain't gonna lie, she violated AB. I gotta fucking set this shit up.
Right now. Shit.
I ain't gonna lie, she violated. She yoked AB up crazy.
My nigga. Well, I didn't really expect that. I said, my nigga, bro. Well, I just flipped up, I put on the couch.
Hey, hold on, you not gonna, you shoes ain't buy this though. The new hoe did, my nigga. Yeah, AB, they don't know who bought this phone. The new hoe, my nigga, I have a new hoe. I have a new hoe, so I have a new phone. Yeah. I have a new horse, a new phone, my nigga. I don't want no problems, man. This girl give out my information to the whole motherfucking California, man. She go to California with this shit, man. How she get jiggy with it, man? Damn, my nigga, you go to California with this shit. My nigga, you got people from Cali calling me, man. They're like, yo, man. I'm like, yo, what the fuck is this, man? You say, yo, my homie. Like, who the fuck is this, homie? Fuck. I don't know who you are calling me from motherfucking West Bubblefuck. Go to my dad. That's why I do not use this phone, y'all. Look. Oh, better not be dead. Damn, my nigga. This shit died. Fuck that bitch, I'm a star. Yo, TP, come up here. Hey, I have 3, 4, one for the plug and one for the bro. Oh, shit. I have 3, 4. I ain't gonna lie, she really cracked his phone up, like, yo, his phone is all the way cracked up. Like, yo, stop saying that shit on my live, my nigga. Nobody fucking drilling over here. I ain't got the pen in the pen. I don't know how we met. Yo, Nesty, I love your soul, man. The bitch trying to take my phone, Nesty, I bought a new one. Like, I got a family, I got a feed. You growing up, feel down this shit. Give my best out of you, give my best out of you, love me. Sometimes gotta stay on my feet. Hey, hold on, I didn't buy it. The new hoe did. City Boys up by 1,000. Fuck is you talking about? City Boys up by 1,000, bitch. Hold on, bitch. She said I take my phone, nigga. I have a new better phone. Hold on. Listen to them. Do it again. Let's get money. We gonna get money with the. Hello? Yeah, my brother. They trying to kill me, man. Hello, my brother. He just trying to kill me, man. Yeah, my brother, she trying to kill me, man. Hey. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. She's trying to kill me. She's trying to kill me with leg. Look at this. Y'all see that dick? That shit like, that's the back of my head, y'all. Hey, yo, my nigga. Yeah. The AB, that shit came for him. Yo, buddy, but that shit's dead like that. Yeah, I ain't gonna God damn it. Where the fuck was that, my nigga? I said, now what level? I said, now this girl is really crazy, bro. Yo, go up real quick. Fuck you, nigga. That's why I had 1 million views. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We hit 1 million. A lot of these motherfuckers need 10 people to hit 1 million. I need myself. And all y'all, yeah, yo. Why all y'all on my dick today, man? Hold on, let me call my hold on, let me call him. Hey, yo, nigga, man. Yo, nigga, man, why y'all on my nigga, man? You was on my fucking dick today, man. Fuck is wrong with you, nigga? I had a fucking 1 million views, and you was on my motherfucking dick, man. That shit no cool, man. That shit no cool, man. No. Hell no, my bro. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. New bitch, new phone, man. New bitch, new phone. Bling long. I have a new phone, man. Hey, hold on. I don't know what plan she just got me. This ain't AT&T, right? I don't want it to be AT&T. I'm AT&T K. Fuck that. You trying to put my phone in the fucking water, man. You put my phone in the water, man. I can't hear shit. Well, I can't hear nothing. She violated my nigga. I had to put my shit in fucking Sazon rice. Fuck out of here. This rice got Sazon in it. It got Sazon in it, man. What the fuck? Yo, I ain't gonna lie, man. She killed me, y'all. She killed me. If y'all talking about, but she threw this phone, right? This iPhone 14 on the floor. And threw the motherfucking bullshit phone out the window. I'm looking for the, matter of fact, she didn't even throw it. She put it in here, right? In the sink. Threw the shit on, walked out the door. So I go follow her out the door, not knowing that my motherfucking phone is still running in the motherfucking water. I go to the water, wallahi, I didn't even go in the water. I turned the water off and still left my phone in there, not knowing that my phone was in there. Y'all niggas come back, that's when I'm looking for my phone. That's after 45 minutes. Straight out the box, on him, yeah? She tried to take my phone away, my nigga. He tried to take my phone, my nigga. Hey Allah, y canele la telefon ta ki vene la telefon ta. Y yo como de baby you para batra ding. Hey, y manelombi benelombi boda. Y canele la telefon ta habla water con the water. You put my shit in the water. You put my shit in the water, man. So I had to go city boy, man. I had to go city boy. I had to go city boy up by thousands, man. City boy up by motherfucking $2 motherfucking million. City boy up by 2 million. 2 million, my nigga. City boy up by 2 million, man. Hold on. Oh my phone. And it's big, I could call more bitches, man. Yo, my nigga. Pop, we got space for Spain business, motherfucking Orlando business, Portland business. I just took the wild to Portland. I just took the wild to Portland. I just took the fall out the water. Motherfucker. I just took the fall out the water, and then it grew bigger. Yo, I put the phone in the water, and it came bigger. That's fucking crazy. I put the phone in the water, it's an iPhone 14, it come out of iPhone 14 Pro. Yo, Pop, make that face again, man. Make that face again. Yo, Shaziz, I put my phone in the water. It come out iPhone 14 Pro. I got a 14 Pro now.
Yo, see how my son has a 14.
Straight out the box, man. Look.
Cold water, ice cold water, $1. I sucked on the ice cold
water. Straight out the box.
She broke my phone up.
What? Hold on. Nah. Who that, your girl? Let me show her what I got. Look, let me show you. She trying to break my phone. Let me show you what I did. Look, I got this phone, and this bullshit phone right here. 3 phones. So guess what? This could call more hoes. I could call more than you heard? You know what I mean? Come on, man. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get the bullshit phone off, man. Now come get your phone back, my nigga. Hold on, let me get her iPhone, man. Yeah, hey, B, I got her iPhone right here, my nigga. Oh, shit. iPhone 14 Pro. Oh. That's the 14. Hey, my nigga, what the fuck happened to that? This is 14 Pro, right? Nigga. You don't even know about it. I don't want the phone no more, man. Don't get the phone. This shit broke over, man. I don't want the phone no more. Hold on, wait. Oh, yeah. Bumper glad, man. What happened to the mother? Oh, shit. Oh, la la. My nigga. What is this? My boy.
What's that, Android?
Oh, shit. Oh, that's the Andy.
$30 right here. Where's my mother hat?
Oh, shit. Let's look at the Andy. Fuck that. I got my 14 Pro, man. Holla at me, man. Big boss shit. Big 6, man. You heard? Big boss shit, my nigga. This is what we fucking do, man. Fucking go big boss shit, my nigga.
Yeah, why you add me to the lock? What's going on, man?
Yo, she tried to throw my phone in the water. I got a phone. The phone go in the water, it come out 14 Pro. That's crazy. I put the phone in the water, it come out a 14 Pro.
Yo, what is wrong with you, my nigga? Yo, you been on hot all day, my nigga.
Yo, my phone go in the water. Word of my mouth. I tell my head I got a 14 Pro. I said, oh shit. 14 Pro right there. Why am I worried about that?
Yo, City Boys is up right now?
What you said?
So City Boys is up right now?
Oh, we up about 3,000, motherfucker.
This
3 motherfucking thousand.
This nigga's crazy, sir.
Look, my phone says hello now. Hello. And it's more bigger. I gotta set it up after this.
Yo, nah, you don't even know what company you with, nigga?
Nah. I don't even know what plan this shit. We got a plan though. Once I open it, I'ma see.
This nigga's crazy. As long as you're not AT&T for real, my nigga.
Nah, hell no, this bullshit ass shit, man. She got me AT&T. This phone don't even be working sometimes. Oh man's phone. I'm tired of this bullshit. I'm gonna tell her, come get this shit. Fuck out of here. I got me the Pro now, and it's bigger.
Yeah.
It's bigger.
So you done that? You good? Cause I see you've been going on all day.
Yeah,
my
I'm
nigga.
good, man. I'm good. I was just at the choke of the town. My son Shah G's. We went crazy.
Oh yeah, yo, where you work today too? So wait, you work and
I
was
work.
causing
I
drama
made
the
a
whole
milli,
day?
and I'm up City Boys by 1,000. Come on, come on, man. Come on.
I
I'm the
can't
face
lie,
of the whole
Yo,
Bronx.
you've been active
The
all
whole
day.
Bronx.
If you worked today and did all that,
I worked today and did all that, and I spent their hood, yo.
nah, wait, what? Are you?
Nah,
Come
no
on,
homeboy. No homeboy. I spent their hood looking for them, feel me? Trying to talk to them, bro.
You
Trying to get
have a conversation, right? Cause I told you
trying
have
to
a
have
conversation.
feel me?
All right, that's it. You did a lot today. I did not know you traveled the whole world today, my nigga. What the fuck?
Yeah.
You got a new phone. You rapped. You was
And
outside.
yo, Warzone Part 2 hitting the millie just changed my whole mood. I'm not mad at nothing right now.
Congratulations
I want
on
2
that,
million
man.
views now.
Congratulations, man. How much M's is that under your belt now?
Good looking, man. I'm about to grab my phone too, cause congratulations, man. We got a quick start.
Oh my God, son.
Yo, play my shit real quick, man. Now they bobbing, I'm punching my hips. Come here,
Yo,
gotta do it like this. Bob.
Yo, my nigga.
What? Nigga, the
What's
whole
up?
world naughty bopping. Nigga, you at police naughty bopping.
Yo, what is wrong with you, son?
Nah, we not gonna talk about naughty. I'm gonna let him
Yeah,
rest.
we're not doing that, son. We're gonna keep it.
Rest in peace, naughty.
I'm proud of you for that one. That was good. That was good. Thank you.
So, but every time I sit, I gotta spit. What the fuck? Type of weirdo shit.
These niggas said, what the fuck? Nah, that's
My nigga, but we gotta do some shit, my nigga.
we do. You know we can work anytime, son.
When you ready, man?
Yo, when you got?
Let's not talk about that. I want to surprise them, man.
Yeah, you ain't send that to my
Yo, bro,
phone.
I ain't gonna lie. This Coco nigga would never ever get up here. So don't ever think you would get on my live, gang. Word of my desk. You blew your spot, my nigga.
Yo,
Nigga
leave
was
Coco,
talking crazy. Nigga was talking
Oh,
high.
yo, about the Long Island niggas, the Long Island niggas.
Yeah, man.
No, I don't think they fuck with us over here.
I see your little ass, I'ma flip your ass, nigga.
Well, I don't think they fuck with us over here, man. I be telling them chill out.
AB. That little op nigga you hate, the little Draco nigga.
Shut the fuck up, son. Niggas be saying anything in the comments section.
Yeah, we in the comments, niggas is on dick.
Yo, Coco said what he did. He fuck with your music.
Nah, he don't fuck with my music, bro. I'm the trashiest Bronx rapper. I know how you felt that whole that morning is how you felt forever. Feel me?
Shit.
I know. You woke up in the morning feeling like that. That's how you feel forever.
Nah, he wasn't the one that said that.
Nah.
It wasn't him that said that. It was that really nigga.
What?
Yeah, it wasn't him.
No, yes, it was him.
Nah, it wasn't. I was on the live. It wasn't him.
Bro, you talking about the light-skinned nigga with the silky, bro.
Yeah, that's Relly. That's not Coco.
Yeah. That Relly nigga, man. He out.
Yeah, that wasn't him. Coco was on the live, but he wasn't talking crazy.
He out, man.
Coco actually fuck with your shit.
What?
He just said you can't fuck with no Long Island niggas though.
Oh nah, yeah, I'm gonna get him up here. He's trying.
Get him up here because he's
I'm
talking
about to
crazy.
get Coco up here, you Coco motherfucker. I can't fuck with who? I can't fuck with who? Let me know.
Yo, gang, I fuck with your music, bro. Big Li in the building, man. What you mean?
I'm about this Li shit, man. We in the fucking BX.
Big Li, man. I fuck with your music.
They can't do that, man. Li is dry, man.
That's not me, man. You got the wrong one, man.
Yeah, my fault. I got you mixed up.
I fuck with your music. I ain't gonna lie.
Good looking. Yeah, nah, I remember you. We was on the live the last time with the Relly nigga.
That's what I'm saying. See, don't get me confused with that. You feel me?
Yeah, I gotta make it clear.
It's all love over here, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
It be on dick.
Long Island fuck with you too. I ain't gonna lie. Really not from Long Island, you heard?
Never. Nigga, Crooklyn said his shit just got blocked.
I'm back up, bro. My shit been blocked for the past 3 weeks now. I don't know what's going on with IG, how they moving like that.
You said 3 months?
Nah, 3 weeks. It's only because
I ain't gonna lie, man. I don't even want to think about that. When I be going blocked, man, they be violent.
They be violent my shit,
month,
man.
nigga.
You heard,
I
yes?
wrote some stupid.
Long Island fuck with you.
Good looking, man. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to do something in Long Island too, bro.
It's a lot, yo, it's a lot of Long Island in here right now.
Who?
A lot of them commenting.
Who nice in Long Island?
They said Crooklyn checking another week. None of y'all niggas is fucking with nobody over here, man.
Nah. Let me know.
They won one battle. They won one. Yo, Use. I want you to put your best
hold
songs against.
on. Look, YouTube is right here, right? Now, hold on. YouTube is right here. Now we gonna
Give
go
us
to
a hot song from a Long Island nigga,
what's
please.
the hottest rapper from Long Island?
Cause them niggas is dry out
Nah,
there.
I don't want nobody to get mad at me, man. Damn, this is hard. Like,
Them niggas is dirt out
one
there,
song,
man.
bro.
One song. They not fuck with. I fuck with my Long Island niggas though.
What's the song? What's the name of the artist?
All right, play Maui Mac Viral.
What?
Maui Mac?
Yeah, Maui Mac Viral.
How you spell that?
The fuck?
M-A-U-R.
Oh man.
M-A-U-R.
M-A-C.
M-A-U-R. M-A-C?
M-A-C.
That's bad name.
Why he don't pop up, man? You gotta switch his name.
That's bad name. He right there though. I think that's him right there.
I see Lil Migo.
That's him right here?
Yeah, Maui Mac. Yeah, play Viral.
Draco, Soldier, the clap from the streets to a rover.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, buddy.
Yo, bro, it's not about the views, bro.
Oh my God,
that's it is, bro. That's
why y'all niggas always care about
2 years?
Yo, why y'all niggas always care about the views, man?
That's crazy views, though.
Yeah, Crooklyn, man.
That's crazy views,
Crooklyn,
my nigga.
one of these little kids could
Yo, but tell me why though, Crooklyn.
That's bad views, my nigga. For
Nah. Let's not judge the book by its cover. You know,
let me hear the
they
song.
Don't be giving people
play
they recognition. Feel me?
Play the song though.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
niggas be saying anything in the comment section. Yo, Ivan Traps. Suck dick. It is about the views they
Word,
say.
you can play Fashion Over.
Hey, who?
Fashion Over.
Flashing over?
Fashion Over.
Nah. That's his hit song. That's his hit song. You can't do that.
Oh, he
Why
got
not?
he got
Why
million views.
not?
He got million views on that.
That's the feature song.
He
That's
got the
his song though.
I want to hear by itself.
It's good. Yo, let's go to space soon. You mad? Hey, yo. This nigga from the ATL. He ain't from Long Island.
Nah, he's
He
not
is
from
from Long
LA. He's
Island.
from ATL, bro.
This nigga from the ATL.
He's
He
from
just linked
Atlanta,
up
my
with a
man.
Memphis
This
nigga.
is little baby man.
This nigga's from ATL.
Yo, they saying play some Child. Child don't be showing no love over here though. Like,
Oh shit.
I'm not gonna lie.
Oh
I'm
shit.
not gonna lie.
Yo, you know, I already told you what I said about him.
Huh?
I already said what I said about him. You gotta check in. You gotta check in sometime, man.
I ain't gonna lie to you. Yes, you gotta tap in, bro. There's some shit over here. I ain't gonna lie. And like I said, niggas fuck with you over here.
Man, I just want you to battle these niggas 3 songs and just violate real quick. I ain't gonna front. That's all
I
I
ain't
want.
gonna lie. Give me 2 days, bro, and I got somebody for him. I'm
You
not
got
gonna lie.
somebody. Yo, you say you got somebody for you.
And he nice too, so you know how that shit go.
Bro, he ain't gonna have better songs than you.
Yo, who y'all want him to play from Long Island, y'all?
Crooklyn, the things I would do to you. Hey, yo,
Hey,
what the
yo.
fuck? Nah, that's a lot.
Yo, who y'all want him to play from Long Island?
Yo, who? I can't even hear what you saying. Yo, your shit's on mute. Yo, they say anything in this comment section, bro. He said, "Crook, what?"
They said play Alive in LI.
Niggas can't even hear the song use.
Yeah, I can't. Yeah.
He said, "Crooklyn, what the fuck?" Yo, sit you up.
They said play some Child.
Shut the fuck up. Yo, niggas can't hear shit that's going on. I'm about to get off this because I'm about to call this nigga later. But Coco, I'll holler at you.
Yo, set that up. You heard?
That's light work. Get your mans, man. Get a good rapper, and then we could talk.
I got you for sure.
All my plays on Hudson is over for you. God bless. It's over. He said you got us in the track star mode. Dub, who the fuck is that? I'm moving like Crooklyn. Yeah, I'm quick to react. Yo, Crooklyn. Why is Crooklyn? It's too much. Yo, Crooklyn. I don't even want to be. I gotta chill, man. It's cool, but relax. Cause y'all saying some Ayo shit at the same time. Yeah, I'm out of here, Coco.
You ready? Nah, niggas be saying anything in the comments. This nigga's muted though. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, you muted.